You are going to love the 2016 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, passenger airbag, air conditioning, Bluetooth, automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, cruise control, compass, fog lamps. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.